guys, so today we're going to pick up a few things. We're gonna make some purchases. Yeah, always junk, of course. Should we disclose what we're going to pick up? The first item.
We're going up to a little bit northwards, like an hour, and then we're looking at this Enticer 300. That's a ice oval sled.
Yep.
Racing. We should have bought one of these. The same one came up, like, not the same sled, but the same Enticer 300 was up for sale last year.
Yeah.
Last winter, we were gonna buy it, but we pussied out and didn't buy it.
Oh yeah. So. Yep.
This year, I guess Sparky's pretty gung-ho about ripping it, and then we'll see what kind of condition it's in. It looks nice, but it's not like...
So basically, it's pretty mint condition right now, but by the time Sparky gets a few hot laps, and he'll have a double barrel rolled and triple flipped, and you know,
so it's gonna be banged up. Sure. But yeah, we're going to look at that first.
Yep. And then we gotta drive like an hour to get that. So yeah, we got some traveling to do today. And then we gotta take that back home, and then we're going to pick up a unit.
A new quad, maybe.
A new quad, potentially. We'll give you three things that it could be, and then you'll find out in the next video of what it actually is.
Right.
If we buy it, that is.
Yeah.
It's either gonna be a YFZ 450, a TRX 450, a 400EX, or a Raptor 660.
Yeah, this is a good possibility.
So you guys choose out of the four there of which ones you think we're gonna get, and we will pick up the camera again once we get this snowmobile. It's right back there.
Enticer 300.
Enticer 300. Pretty mint condition.
Yeah, that's not bad. We paid $550 for it.
Yep, paid $550. Pretty decent. We're just looking up some rules and regulations.
Yeah. There's a local track. There's a couple of them around us, and we're just checking out what classes there are, and then we're gonna probably do a shit ton of modifying to that thing.
Yeah, because it looks like they're not doing too much on the inspection side.
Even if they tear it down, I mean, super stock. As long as you have a stock exhaust and you don't have reed valves
porting or anything like that.
You can port it.
Or I mean, not like no piston changes or cylinder changes.
Yep. So we should be mint. We'll see what the classes are and then go from there. But yeah, I think there's like a 0 to 317 cc, which a 300 should be fine.
Yep.
So, alrighty.
Yeah, so we're gonna
get it unloaded. We'll get a video.
Yep,
of it.
We'll get a video of it when we get it back to the house, and we'll walk you through some of the stuff that's on it. I think it's got new 10-inch carbides.
Yeah. The studded track is decent.
Yeah.
We gotta do something about I would like to see the handlebar a little bit more curled, so you can have it straight 90. So when Sparky's on the corner, he can basically just tap the brake.
Yeah.
And we gotta adjust the brakes because they're a little bit loose.
Yeah.
And we gotta get it running. Obviously, it's missing a tether. We gotta give it a tether, and then he said he probably needs a carb plane.
Yeah.
But I'm gonna wait and see what the class rules are, because if I can put a Mikuni round slide, we're definitely gonna do that, because that butterfly style, junk. I'm telling you, it's straight junk. I've never seen anybody like those carburetors, and you can have 3 of them, and only 1 out of 3 will run good. So
we're running super zoom on the GoPro right now. I mean, super view, super zoom, whatever you want to call it. So the angle should be much wider. So the video quality should be a lot better.
Yeah.
So yeah.
Alrighty. This Yamaha Enticer 300, you guys saw us on the way up there, and then I think we shot a clip of it in the back of the truck. You guys can hear some rain noise on the roof right now. It's kind of raining outside. It's been raining all day damn near, but yeah, this is our ice oval sled that we bought. Needs a little bit of work. It does have the bars, we need to do something about this tape on them. And then I gotta touch up on the rules. I guess the racetrack where we wanted to race this year is canceling the racing because of COVID-19, so that's unfortunate, but at least we can test on the lake. I gotta sharpen the studs, I gotta get the carburetor. I kinda wanna get rid of that butterfly style and put a VM Mikuni round slide on it, and then we'll tune it to that. I gotta delete the air box, and then delete the oil injection tank, get some of that weight out of there. And then, just basic stuff. We might hook up a lube tank and do other stuff like that. But it's a nice looking little sled. Yamaha Enticer 300. This is a nice sled because you can race 2 classes. You can race the 250 and 300 class, and then you can also race up in the 340 class. So it's always nice to have one like this, so you can do 2 races and hopefully have a chance of being competitive in both classes, which I know this sled is. These 300s have some really nice cylinders, and the chassis is a little bit lighter than the 340s that you'll see on the racetrack. So hopefully it does well. like I said, this year probably just be doing some testing. I think there's like 1 or 2 races we might be able to get to, but that's about it. Just want to give you guys a little bit of a look at it. It's got the headlights deleted and everything. It's got like a red, I don't know if you guys can see that, but it's like red grilled in the place of the headlight and the vent there. Other than that, yeah, we're pretty busy. Otherwise, got a lot of stuff in the shop. But yeah, I wanted to show you guys this, as it's going to be a cool little project for us. I'm sure Sparky's going to be the one driving it, because he's definitely got the biggest cojones to drive it. So yeah, this carburetor, if we go with this, just needs to be cleaned out. It just sucks that you can't tune these carburetors very well. Like the round slide, you know, you can change jets easily, you can change everything out easily. Just a lot more tunability with the round slide. So I'd like to go that route if we can. I think you can put like a 38 millimeter, I guess some of the guys in the forums were saying. So yeah, we got to put new slides on the skid and everything like that. And like I said, lube tank has to get hooked up. But yeah, we'll be making small progress on this. We want to get our other stuff done first. You guys can see there's a bunch of stuff. Actually, the Cavaliers in the shop right now, but just a bunch of stuff right now that we need to get done of our own. And then this race sled will obviously be a priority after that. We can just putz with it here and there, you know, get it ready, take it to the lake, test it out. I want to get a data system for EGT, exhaust temp, and then a tachometer for the dash as well. Maybe I can put something, you know, up and through here, something like that. So stay tuned for that, guys. Just wanted to show you guys the sled, what we picked up. You guys have saw the phaser, and then the Jag is still being worked on as well. I got the tool to separate the secondary clutch on the Jag, so that's good. But yeah, that's going to be it for this video. If you guys are excited about the Enticer 300, let me know in the comments. Leave a like on the video. Subscribe to the channel if you guys are new. We're trying to hit 2,000 subscribers. We're very close, guys. We need about another 150 of you guys to hit that red subscribe button, and we'll be at 2K, which is awesome. We might do a small little giveaway or something, maybe at 2K. I'm not sure yet. But yeah, we'll see you guys in the next video.